Flexibility. It's a word that often conjures images of gymnasts performing incredible feats or yogis holding serene poses. But flexibility is so much more than that. It's not just for gymnasts or yogis. Flexibility is for everyone, regardless of age, fitness level, or lifestyle. It's a fundamental aspect of physical health that can benefit anyone. It's the key to unlocking your athletic potential, preventing injuries, and moving through life with ease. Whether you're an athlete preparing for a big game or someone who just wants to move more comfortably, flexibility is essential. Imagine bending down to tie your shoes effortlessly, or reaching for that top shelf without a second thought. These everyday tasks become so much easier when your body is flexible. That's the power of flexibility. It enhances your quality of life in ways you might not even realize. From reducing muscle tension to improving posture, the benefits are endless. In this fast-paced world, we often neglect our flexibility. We get caught up in our routines, spending hours sitting at desks or staring at screens, and we forget to move our bodies in ways that keep them supple and agile. We sit for hours, leading to tight muscles and limited range of motion. This can result in discomfort, stiffness, and even chronic pain over time. But what if I told you that you could dramatically improve your flexibility in just 2 weeks? Yes, you heard that right. With consistent effort and the right techniques, you can see significant changes in a short amount of time. This isn't about contorting yourself into a pretzel. It's about incorporating simple, effective stretches into your daily routine. These stretches are designed to be accessible and easy to perform, no matter your current level of flexibility. It's about simple, effective stretches that fit into your busy schedule. You don't need to spend hours stretching. Just a few minutes each day can make a world of difference. Are you ready to unlock a more flexible, agile, and resilient you? Let's get started. Embrace the journey to a more flexible you, and discover the joy of moving with ease and confidence. Flexibility awaits, and it's within your reach. The first 2 days are all about establishing a routine. This is the foundation of your flexibility journey, and it's crucial to start off on the right foot. By dedicating just a few minutes each day, you are setting yourself up for long-term success. Think of this as the beginning of a new habit that will benefit your body and mind. We're going to start gently, easing your body into the world of stretching. Remember, consistency is key. It's not about pushing yourself to the limit right away, but rather about gradually increasing your flexibility over time. Gentle yoga and beginner stretching exercises are perfect for this stage. They help to warm up your muscles and prepare them for more intense stretches in the future. Find a quiet space where you can focus on your body. This is your time to connect with yourself, free from distractions. A peaceful environment will help you concentrate on your movements and breathing, making your stretching routine more effective. Whether it's a corner of your living room or a spot in your backyard, make sure it's a place where you feel comfortable and relaxed. Take deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Deep breathing is essential as it helps to oxygenate your muscles, making them more pliable and ready for stretching. It also calms your mind, reducing stress and allowing you to focus better on your routine. Practice deep breathing throughout your session to enhance your overall experience. Focus on each stretch, feeling your muscles lengthen and relax. Pay attention to how your body responds to each movement. This mindfulness will help you understand your limits and avoid overextending yourself. It's important to listen to your body and respect its boundaries, especially in the beginning. Over time, you'll notice improvements in your flexibility and range of motion. Stand tall, grab one foot, and gently pull your heel towards your glutes. This quadriceps stretch is excellent for loosening up the muscles in the front of your thighs. Make sure to keep your knees close together and your back straight. Hold the position and feel the stretch in your quadriceps. If you need support, you can hold onto a wall or a chair. Sit with legs extended, reach for your toes, and hold. This hamstring stretch targets the muscles at the back of your thighs. Keep your legs straight and try to reach as far as you can without straining. If you can't reach your toes, that's okay. Just go as far as you can and hold the position. Over time, you'll find that you can reach further and further. Kneel on one knee, push your hips forward, and feel the stretch in your front hip. This hip flexor stretch is great for opening up your hips and improving your overall flexibility. Make sure your front knee is at a 90-degree angle and your back is straight. Push your hips forward gently and hold the position. You'll feel a deep stretch in your hip flexors, which can help alleviate tightness and improve your posture. Repeat each stretch twice, holding for 30 seconds each time. Repetition is key to improving flexibility. By holding each stretch for 30 seconds, you're giving your muscles enough time to lengthen and relax. Make sure to breathe deeply and stay focused on your movements. Consistency and patience are essential. Over time, you'll notice significant improvements in your flexibility and overall well-being. You're on your way to a more flexible you. Celebrate your progress no matter how small it may seem. Each stretch, each breath, and each session brings you closer to your goal. Remember, flexibility is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process and be proud of the effort you're putting in. Keep up the great work, and soon you'll see the benefits of your dedication and consistency. As you settle into your stretching routine, you'll start to notice subtle changes in your body. These changes might be small at first, but they are significant. You may feel a gentle release of tension in your muscles, a sense of calm washing over you, or even a slight increase in your range of motion. Each stretch, each breath brings you closer to a more flexible and relaxed state. You might find it easier to reach your toes, a milestone that signifies progress. This newfound flexibility is a testament to your dedication and consistency. It's a small victory that encourages you to keep going, to keep pushing your limits gently and mindfully, or feel less stiffness in your hips. The hips are a common area of tightness for many people, especially those who sit for long periods. By focusing on hip stretches, you're not only improving your flexibility, but also enhancing your overall mobility and reducing the risk of injury. Pay attention to how your body feels. This mindfulness is crucial. Notice the sensations in your muscles, the rhythm of your breath, and the way your body responds to each movement. This awareness helps you understand your body's needs and limits, allowing you to stretch more effectively and safely. Don't be afraid to challenge yourself slightly. It's important to push your boundaries, but always with caution. Stretching should be a balance between effort and ease. By gently pushing your limits, you encourage your muscles to lengthen and become more flexible over time. Push the stretch a little further, but never to the point of pain. Pain is a signal that something is wrong, and it's important to listen to your body. Stretching should feel good, a pleasant tension that indicates you're working your muscles without causing harm. Remember, flexibility is a journey, not a race. Progress may be slow, but it's steady. Celebrate each small improvement, each step forward. Over time, these small steps add up to significant gains in flexibility and overall well-being. Before you begin your stretches, let's add some dynamic movements to further prepare your muscles. Dynamic warm-ups are essential as they increase blood flow, raise your body temperature, and prepare your muscles for the stretches ahead. They help prevent injuries and make your stretching routine more effective. Stand tall and swing one leg forward and backward like a pendulum. This movement helps to loosen up your hip joints and leg muscles, preparing them for deeper stretches. It's a simple yet effective way to get your body ready for more intense stretching. Extend your arms to the sides and make small circles, gradually increasing the size. This exercise warms up your shoulder joints and arm muscles, ensuring they are ready for the stretches to come. By incorporating these dynamic movements, you set the stage for a more productive and enjoyable stretching session. By now, stretching is becoming a part of your daily routine. You're starting to feel the difference in your body, less stiffness, more ease of movement. Keep up the great work. Life can get busy, but it's crucial to make time for your stretches at least 5 days a week. Consistency is the key to unlocking your flexibility potential. Even on your busiest days, try to squeeze in a few minutes of stretching. Your body will thank you for it. Section 5, Days 7 and 8. You've got this. You're halfway through the challenge and your body is transforming. You're moving with greater ease, feeling more limber, and experiencing the incredible benefits of increased flexibility. Remember, this is your journey. Listen to your body, adjust the stretches as needed, and celebrate your progress. Every stretch brings you closer to your goal. Hydration is key. Proper hydration is essential for muscle function and flexibility. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Think of water as lubrication for your muscles, helping them move smoothly and efficiently. Section 6, Day 9 and 10. Embrace the burn, feel the change. You're in the home stretch. You might feel a slight burn or discomfort during your stretches. This is a good sign. It means you're challenging your muscles and increasing your range of motion. Remember to breathe deeply and focus on the positive changes happening within your body. You're becoming stronger, more flexible, and more resilient with each passing day. Section 7, Day 11 and 12. Flexibility is becoming your friend. As you approach the end of the challenge, you'll notice a significant improvement in your flexibility. Movements that once felt restricted are now effortless. You're standing taller, moving with grace, and feeling the power of a flexible body. Nutrition matters. A balanced diet plays a vital role in muscle health and flexibility. Ensure you're consuming enough protein to support muscle repair and growth. Think lean meats, fish, beans, and lentils. And Section 8, Day 13 and 14. The finish line is in sight. Congratulations, you're on the verge of completing the 2-week flexibility challenge. Take a moment to acknowledge your dedication and the incredible transformation you've undergone. You've made stretching a priority, and your body is reaping the rewards. Remember, flexibility is a lifelong journey. Continue to incorporate these stretches into your routine, and you'll enjoy the benefits for years to come. You've developed a powerful habit that will enhance your overall well-being. Section 9, Fueling your flexibility, hydration and nutrition. We've touched on the importance of hydration and nutrition throughout this challenge, but let's delve a little deeper. Think of your body as a high-performance machine. To function at its best, it needs the right fuel. Hydration. Water is essential for muscle function, joint lubrication, and overall flexibility. Aim to drink half your body weight in ounces of water each day. Carry a reusable water bottle with you as a reminder to stay hydrated. Nutrition. Protein is crucial for muscle repair and growth, supporting your flexibility gains. Incorporate lean protein sources into your diet such as chicken, fish, beans, and Greek yogurt. Section 10. Track your progress, unleash your potential. Throughout these 2 weeks, it's incredibly motivating to track your progress. Keep a simple journal or use a fitness app to monitor your flexibility improvements. Note how far you can reach, how long you can hold a stretch, or any other noticeable changes. Seeing how far you've come is a powerful motivator. It reminds you that consistency pays off and that you're capable of achieving amazing things when you set your mind to it. Section 11. Embrace the transformation. A more flexible you in 2 weeks. You did it. You've completed the 2-week flexibility challenge and emerged as a more agile, resilient, and flexible you. Embrace this transformation and carry the lessons you've learned into all aspects of your life. Remember, flexibility is not just about touching your toes. It's about moving through life with ease, preventing injuries, and unlocking your full athletic potential. Keep stretching, stay hydrated, fuel your body with nutritious foods, and never stop exploring the incredible capabilities of your body.